Can you guys hear me? Perfect. All right. Thank you guys for being here. It might be pretty not interesting for you guys to come to a wallet workshop. You might ask like why we need a wallet. So I'm here to answer the question, why we build another wallet. Yeah, we're gonna put money in our wallet. We're gonna giving out $5,000 over the weekend. May not be a lot, but yeah, happy hacking. But I'm here to convince you guys to build on top of our standard. I'm just trying to tell you, like, we build it for the developers. I've been to multiple ETH Global and won a couple myself. I'm a hacker, and I love hackathons. I've been to so many hackathons, and I'm in hacker mode all the time. So we want to build a wallet not only for custodial users. You can check the other blog written by my boss. It's all about like how it's easy. Oh, by the way, like we launched the wallet. Have you guys ever heard of Gemini? Not the AI company, but like the other less cooler, the traditional exchange company. You guys probably know my boss better than like the company, like the Wolmsky brothers, right? The guys in social network that got screwed over by Zuckerberg. And now we're screwing over Google because Google apparently like Gemini by Google is much more famous than Gemini, the exchange. But we do on Gemini.ai. When I'm trolling and tell people, hello everyone, I'm Mike. I work for Gemini.ai. Check it. It's gonna go to our exchange. But that doesn't matter. I'm a Web3 native. Before Gemini, I built my own wallet. I was founding engineers for another wallet project. We were one of the first for 337 compatible wallets out there. And it's another startup for doing ZK proofs for college diplomas. But here I'm the engineering lead for the Gemini wallet. And like I said, like my boss, the head of engineering, wrote another very nice blog post about how it is a very secure wallet for the exchange customers. Well, I'm here to tell you guys like why it's the best wallet I built for myself, or you guys, the hackers. And feel free to check out this blog post if you have some time, but this goes through pretty much everything about passkeys. Have you guys ever heard of passkeys? Okay, show me hands. Like, if you've never heard of Passkey, raise your hand. Okay, no one, perfect. So it's your Touch ID and your Face ID. So we're collaborating with ZeroDev. Did anyone watch the live stream from yesterday? We literally just launched the wallet yesterday. Probably not, it's too boring. You guys are not checking Gemini live streams. Yeah, I was in the live stream and I chatted with other industry leaders about the 7579 standard, about 4337 and about everything. So the fundamental idea for our wallet is we want that to be as composable as possible. So it's very opinionated for exchange users, but for hackers, the sky's the limit. We try to follow all the industry standards. It's using modules, using 7484 created by Rhinestone as the attester. And oh, I'm probably getting bored here. I'm mentioning a lot of numbers. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys the wallet. It's actually on keys.gemini.com. We're also launching onchain.gemini.com. So this is kind of like the traditional wallet view. We built actually two products. One is a coreless wallet, which is onchain.gemini.com, where you can plug in any wallet. We are collaborating with WalletConnect using their app kit. So you can connect any wallet over here. You can get swap and bridge. You can get invest. You can get like the normal buy, send, and receive flow. But I'm not the marketing guy, so I'm not going to talk about that. We can talk about the more interesting stuff, which is keys.gemini.com. I guess I want to make it a little more interesting. Like the first guy that gave me the .gemini.eth name, I'm going to send 1 USDC to your wallet. Are you guys going to do that? No, like no one's pulling out their phone. No, like you already missed it. I'm not going to doing that. I thought you guys are going to be interested, going to be super excited when I say that. $1, okay, probably too little. But how much do I have in my wallet? No, like I have that on mainnet. Oh, by the way, we are sponsored all the gas, except for mainnet. but we had a product issue this morning. The mainnet is not working, and I spent $10 just to get $10 into my wallet. The gas price is crazy, but anyways, like we want to eliminate the idea of gas for the fallow builders. We put actually like yesterday I put 50 ETH into our gas tank. So like for all the Sepolias, gas is on us, and for all the L2s, gas is also on us. So you get to deploy wallets, test wallets, do everything for free using our wallet. you might not believe me. You guys are just looking at me like I'm telling you a fairy tale, but like, we're legit, guys. I just got my PR into Wagmi. So I'm just trying to convince you guys this is gonna be like a default way for you guys to build, because you're using Wagmi anyways. Are you guys planning not to use Wagmi? Do you guys know what's Wagmi? Okay, good. So you guys know the shit about Web3 building. And if you're building a hackathon, you better use Wagmi. If you ever never heard about Wagmi, go check it out. You're gonna use that over the weekend. So we were one of the default connectors over there. And we wanted to be unopinionated as possible. So it's as easy as importing a connector over here. And that's all. That's all you need. To make yourself eligible for that 5,000 bounty, just do that. And you get gas on us as well. So why not?
So if I deploy contracts using this connector here, you guys pay for it? In essence?
We pay for that.
Coming from my personal...
No, we pay for that. We pay for everything. As long as it's coming from our wallet, we pay for that. Yeah. The only problem is we'll only support the major L2s. So if you guys want to compete for all the kind of like the crazy sidechain stuff, you probably have to use a MetaMask. But otherwise, we will be your best choice. And also, like, why not? Like, you're testing people better be testing on base Sepolio or some of the major L2s. So you can use our wallet, of course. It's on our radar. My boss is negotiating deals with them, but currently no. Hopefully in the future, in the near future. I'm trying to convince their engineers to build a couple more features to make it compatible with us. But yeah, you can see like when CoinDesk write an article about our wallet, there's nothing about wallet. It's the two bosses. So the idea for me being here is to try to make a little bit more Web3 native for you guys. I know you guys are the builders. You guys are not interested in these kind of financial stuff. So I just want to make it as simple as using our wallet. Sorry, I think I pulled up the wrong one. I'm supposed to show you guys the bounty. Okay, all right. So it's about no gas fee, no API keys. You guys can probably already tell from the Wagmi doc that pulled up. You don't need any API key to use our wallet. It's portable, but also embeddable. You guys all know Privy. They're a sponsor here as well. And they have Dynamic. They're also an embedded wallet provider. Our wallets are embeddable, but it's also portable. That means like it's behaving similarly to MetaMask and Trust Wallet and all the other wallets. You take the balance with you, but it's also embeddable in the sense you can put it in your dApp. So that make it super, super easy for your users. So you don't have to bridge, you don't have to pay for gas, your user doesn't have to think about anything. The major reason for people to build an embedded wallet is for user experience. They want the users to be able to pay for gas, or sorry, they want to be able to pay the gas on the behalf of their users. But why not let us pay for the gas for you guys, right? And for your users as well. So this is the idea for us for building this wallet. And it's gonna be good for the exchange users, for the traders, for everybody to get into crypto and get into the DeFi world, but I also believe this will become a very powerful tool for you guys, for the actual hackers. Once we abstract it away from API keys and embracing a more standardized, but also open ecosystem, you will have the ability to get the users in without much friction, but also you get the chance to build on top of already a thriving standard. And if you want to dig a little bit deeper into that, you said like it might be too easy for me. We do have this core package that I just published 3 days ago. So this is kind of like the core package for communicating to keys.gemini.com. We designed the website to be able to accept all kinds of RPC calls. Are you guys familiar with RPC calls about like wallet standards, about injected wallets? Well, maybe a little bit, maybe not, but this will make it compatible with pretty much any standards out there. You just send a request to 2keys.gemini.com and I'll handle everything for you. And if you're using WalletConnect, it's even easier. We are one of the certified wallets on Wallet Guide. It should be just a feature our wallet ID, as easy as that, and you can get it. And for decoding WalletConnect links, it will be just over here /WC, and you can just paste the link over here, and we'll handle everything just on your behalf. So the idea is like we build a wallet that's not meant for you guys. You might seem like this is like too noob wallet like. This is for the newbies, but I want to say like your users are gonna be the newbies. you are building wallets. We're onboarding the next 1 billion people onto crypto, right? So the users doesn't know a lot about blockchain. They're not as crypto native as you guys over here. So we want a wallet that's gonna be hackable enough for you guys to build based on the industry standard. We also want a default that's easy enough for the normal users to use. Let me show you guys something. Like, we have integrated with GMX. I probably should show the cool design our designer put out over here. We're featuring them. And by building on top of us, not only earning our prize pools, we're earning like a spot over here in our Discover page. So we're sending the whole exchange to the on-chain playground and to be able to see your app. And the hackathon winners will be featured over here, by the way. And if we go to GMX and click Explore now, oh, let me disconnect my wallet. Oh, I think I already disconnected. Great, I thought about it. It'll be just over here. And it'll be as easy as that for your users. They don't have to think about anything. Just click connect, and it will pop up. It'll pop up to our site, and as I said, like keysToGemini.com will handle everything for you. We're also giving out a ENS subdomain. I guess you chose me over the ENS people, but I still want to give a shout out to them because we are good partners. Every one of you users will get a .gemini.eth subdomain for free. So you could leverage the ENS stuff by integrating with us. So you can like 2 tracks already handled by just building on top of us. And you can just do connect and everything else is handled. And if you want to do a trade over here, I'm not a trader, but I'm just gonna show you guys the actual integration. I'm just gonna minimum order $2. Okay, I'm being too cheap. Sorry guys. I got 3. All right, let's do max. All right, so it's as easy as this. Probably not click approve because otherwise I don't have enough gas to, not enough ETH. Yeah, it's sponsored by Gemini. You don't have to pay anything. So this will be as easy as that for a user. Just to prove it's working, I'm just gonna approve it. And it's as easy as signing in with the passkey. So all the transactions are also handled by us. You don't have to do anything for a user. You don't have to do any crazy shit. And we're gonna deploy the wallet for you. And the position should already be open. Oh, I have to do long BTC here. Am I lining? Should I do short? It's ETH conference, we should do short. Well, it's short BTC. All right, approve, sign in. As you can tell over here, like we're actually using blockade for scanning all the transactions for a user as well. So all the stuff that you might think about for a wallet is already handled by us, and the user don't have to pay anything. So it's easy win for you because it's gonna be super easy for you to integrate. Like I said, we're already on Wagmi as one of the default connectors. And if you wanna hack around, there's this package over here, Gemini Wallet Core. And we have like a adapter for RainbowKit as well. So if you guys are into Rainbow, this is the package you're gonna use. Yep. Any questions, comments? Comments will probably be on this, but no comments on this, comments on the wallet. Yeah. Yeah, it's on Wagmi's official documentation. That's the easiest, right? It's here, right? We are not crypto native. We're not a crypto native company. We are exchange. We call ourselves America's exchange. But I don't know, but like Chinese spies talking to this to you guys. Probably not very America about that, but anyways. We want to build an on-chain presence, and this will be the first step, and there's more to come. And really hope you guys can build on top of this as well. Cool, yeah, thanks. Cool, questions, comments, suggestions?
How you build the Gemini wallet? I mean, we know you play a significant role in Gemini, so maybe you can just introduce more about wallets. We have so many wallets, you know.
So many wallets in the ecosystem, right?
So what is the wallet doing? If we want to build a wallet ourselves,
don't build a wallet. This is like the lesson learned from building this. Like, don't build a wallet. And if you really want to build a wallet, no, just use our wallet. Don't build a wallet. Don't build a wallet. But like, it's all about composability. We want to build on top of the 7579 standard. Do you guys know that? ERC 7579. shout out to Biconomy, Rhinestone, and Zero Dev. They're the creators for this standard. So it's about modular accounts. We built that because we want the users to be able to use any modules as possible. So it's kind of like the idea is everybody will have their own special flavor of their wallet. Each wallet will be unique. And you do that through modules, not through some standardized way. I'm not talking about some base company. Base. Yeah, right. They have very opinionated way for doing things, but we want things to be fully composable. So it's always built on top of standards and also make it open enough that people can build on top of you. And if you guys are interested in building modules, probably not enough time for a 3-day hack, but yeah, just don't build a wallet. If you want to build a module, you can talk to us.
Are you guys gonna start multi-sig wallets at any point?
This wallet can support multi-sig. It's already multi-sig enabled by default. You can enable a K1 validator to add an EOA signer for the wallet, but we just hide that away from you guys. Hide it away from normal users, not you guys. But yeah, it's multi-sig by default, and all you really need to do is to install another module. No questions, no comments. All right, if you need, yeah.
For the price, is there anything in particular you guys are looking for?
No. Gas is on us. This is the easy money, right? Just throw that on top. We don't want to block you. I feel like when I'm going to ETH Global Hackathons, the biggest pain point is trying to find which track I'm qualified for. And the idea for us is want to make it as simple as you guys, a no-brainer to add a top of whatever crazy idea you already built. Like, I'm personally against all the track ideas. We just want to sponsor the best projects available. And we're also sponsoring the gas. So we want to enable you, not trying to push you into the direction of building something that will be useful for us. And this is, I guess, like our way for giving back to the community. Or my way, I don't know. The company's not very open sourced. I don't know, like I was trying to convince them we should open source this. The source code is already here, but we have security people telling me, no, you're not supposed to do that. So yeah, the source code is already here if you want to check. This is my way for bypassing anything, but you can still get it. Everything is right here. But if you go to the repository, you should still be able to see it. But if you guys open that, it will not show up because it's private. And our security team is blocking us from doing that. Cool. Yeah. All right. If there are no questions, there's only one takeaway. It's like gas is on us. Go explore. And this is probably the easiest to track that you can add on top of whatever cool ideas you're building. And we're on Wagmi. We have RainbowKit connector. And all you're going to do is to find me Saturday morning and present it using Gemini Wallet. And you don't have to pay for gas for the presentation as well, which is a bonus, right? Why not? Just why not, right? Cool. I just want this to be a why not for you guys. Yeah, one word takeaway, why not? Cool. All right. Thank you, guys.